to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create shortcut to turn off display in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create shortcut to turn off the display in your Windows 11, so I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to right click on your screen. You can see here new. In this, just click on shortcut. You can see here, type the location of the item. You need to type the location. Just copy this location from my description link and just paste it here. Just click on next and rename whatever you want. For example, I will rename it as turn off display. Just click on finish. You can see the shortcut has been created. If you run this shortcut, the display will be turned off. That's it, guys. So in this way, you can create shortcut to turn off the display in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.